All right, guys, summer is approaching.
Yes.
And I feel like we haven't done one of these videos in a long time on YouTube. If you follow us on Instagram, our Instagram is Modamob Official. We actually do like 1 to 2 minute videos of outfits that we buy or inspiration. So we decided to do a summer style haul here because maybe some of you guys don't have Instagram or don't follow us on Instagram.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go through everything and show you guys what we bought, where we bought it from, and yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, I'm like dying over this dress, so you have to go first.
All right, my first dress is Alexis. It's one shoulder.
Fabric.
And Alexis is like a high-end brand. I want to say everything is like $400, $500, $600, $700 up to $1,000. And honestly, when you buy something expensive, you could totally tell, like the stitching, the fabric, everything's so good. But I didn't spend that kind of money on this dress. I set a sale alert on Shop Style, and Farfetch was having a sale. And I actually got this for $150. It's still pricey, more pricier than I would spend on a dress.
What? You can tell it's an expensive dress.
Exactly, but it's one of those dresses that I feel like I'll have for years and it'll never go out of style, and I'll constantly keep bringing it back every summer.
It's just such a great spring and summer dress.
Yeah, I love this dress. Can't wait to wear it.
Okay, my first item is this super cute top from Zara, and it's one of those like asymmetrical situations that are going on. I saw it on a model at
You know I got the red one, right?
You did?
We bought it together when I bought the red one, remember?
No, I bought this when I was in New York.
I know, but I'm saying I bought the red one when we were together.
That's so funny. Yeah. I didn't even see you buy this one.
The pink is really cute.
The pink, I was debating between the pink and the red, and I was like, you know what? I don't really have a lot of pink in my closet.
It's really cute.
I totally got this because I thought it was an adorable little number.
Very cute. All right. And then I'm gonna go with this one because it's so spring and summery. It's like super fun. I actually saw a blogger I follow wearing this dress, and I was like obsessed with it.
Really cute.
And she said that it was out of stock, but she let her followers know once they got it back in stock. So I immediately went on there and bought it. It's very spring summery. It has like fun. All sorts of colors. It's fun. I could wear with flats, and I could wear it off the shoulder and with the straps. So that's what I really like about it. I paid, I think, I want to say around like $60 for this. And it was from a boutique called RedDressBoutique.com.
Cool. Okay. I got this really cute pink and like dusty pink, I guess, and white floral dress from H&M. I thought that this was really cute for summer. It was super inexpensive. It was only $20. I feel like I could throw this on over a bathing suit at the beach. I feel like it'll look really cute with my fanny pack or just like with a simple belt. And I just thought it was such a good find for $20 from H&M.
It is really cute. Okay, I'm gonna go to a fun color. All right, so this dress is another expensive one, you guys. And I got this on Asos, but it's Keepsake the label. And Keepsake's dresses are usually run around like $400, and this dress I think was $300. I got it for $55 on sale. And again, look at the fabric of this dress.
Yeah.
It's like
the lining,
everything is just like, it's thick. It looks expensive. You wear it, it just like forms into your body, you know? And it's like kind of like a bustier top. And you don't need to wear a bra. You just literally you put it on and you zip it up and you're ready to go.
I love the combo of the stripes and the flowers.
I love this dress. It's so cute.
So
I can't wait to wear it this summer. Okay. So I got that one from Asos, you guys.
My next dress is from Zara, and this is just like a very cute, simple summer dress you can wear with like flats or whatever you want to wear it with. I wore it with this denim jacket recently, and I thought it was just such a cute, very, very lightweight summer dress. I'm going on vacation in a few weeks, so I wanted to get pieces that were going to be really lightweight, so my luggage isn't super heavy.
Yeah, it totally won't take up any space in your luggage.
Won't take up any space, and it'll be just really easy to kind of wear all day long.
Super cute.
I think it was $40.
All right, and then this one I also got from Zara.
Funny enough, you guys, I saw this dress and I was gonna buy it, but there was like a snag on it and they didn't have another one of the sizes, and then I saw that Nora bought it.
You could borrow it. It's a polka dot dress. I'm having a polka dot moment as well. So it looks like this super large dress, But what you end up doing is it comes with a belt that's already attached to it, and you just like cross over the belt, and it becomes like this form-fitting, like super cute girly dress. And you could dress it up and down. I wore it with heels, but you could wear it with flats and a leather jacket if you want.
Yeah.
I feel like it's super versatile, and you could wear it with like anything you want. I bought this dress for $39.90.
Speaking of Zara, I got this really cute, I couldn't tell, like me and Nora were like, is this a top? Is it a dress? I don't know what it is. It could totally be a dress on me. It's just this like very cute flowy blouse. And I feel like it'll look really cute with like white shorts. And again, this is something I thought would be really cute for my vacation because it's flowy and it's nice. And I can also throw this on over like a bathing suit if I'm going to like a beach club or something like that. So this one I got from Zara, and I believe it was $49.
My next 3 dresses are all from Zara. I wore this actually recently, and I posted a picture on Instagram, and so many people messaged me about it, and they actually like went on to buy it, and they're like, but wait, it didn't look like as good as it did on you as the model, because the models sometimes are like super skinny or whatever, and like it's
can't really tell.
The dress is meant for like a short, like medium-sized girl. It's not long, but it's not short, so this is
a midi.
No, it's on the longer side. Like when I just bought it, I wanted to shorten it, but then I realized I only paid $30 for it. I'm not gonna spend $30 to shorten it. But I feel like if you I think if you wear this, Ani's 5 feet tall, it'll be a long dress on you. Yeah. So, because I know some people messaged me about that as well. Again, it's super lightweight, summery. It's
such a cute summer dress.
Yeah, like it's a neutral color, so you could just like put some flat sandals on, and be on your way and just look cute, like effortlessly cute. That's my style lately, effortlessly cute.
Cute. Okay, my next piece is a jumpsuit from Sabo Skirt. It's an Australian brand. I was kind of like concerned about sizing because it can be weird to return things from Australia, but so I went ahead and just got a medium to be safe. And it is a little bit on the looser side. It comes with like a cute white belt, but I bought it because I thought it would be cute on vacation with some like gold sandals and my very favorite Chanel fanny pack.
You're having a white moment.
I'm having a white moment, you guys.
And I'm having the opposite. I'm having a super colored moment right now. Like I'm not buying anything white or black. I'm just like colors.
Love white during the summertime.
So my next one is opposite of just white. It's like a candy striper dress. I put it on and I was like to my husband, I'm like, am I too candy stripery? And he's like, I kind of dig it. I'm like, okay, so I'll keep it. It was $29, again, from Zara. And everything that we're showing you guys, we literally just recently bought. So they still have it in stores. And again, it's just fun. It's super lightweight.
Very light. I can already see how lightweight it is.
I can't wear thick materials in the summertime. It's just like, it gives me anxiety. I start sweating. I'm not like one of those like, oh yeah, I can wear long sleeves during the summertime. Sometimes I see people wearing long sleeves. I'm not one of those people. I'm just like, so this is like perfect for it.
My next dress is from Zara, and this is just kind of like a cute casual denim-y looking dress, but it's not really denim. And it has like cute little buttons, and I just thought it would be a good dress for
like a summer buy.
Yeah, it was like it was actually really inexpensive. It was like $20-something, and I was like, you know what, I'm just not gonna pass up on it because it's too cute to not have.
And my final dress is again from Zara. It's kind of like a darker mustard color. And again, it's one of those dresses that you could wear with heels if you want to dress it up a little. Or I wore it out with my daughter for Sunday brunch with heels, which was not a good idea, chasing her around in heels. But I've also worn it with flats. I like the back of it. It's a linen-y material, super lightweight. Yeah,
cute. My next 2 items are actually literally the same thing. So I got these shorts from H&M, and I thought that they were, again, just a cute find for my upcoming vacation. They're really lightweight. They have pockets. One of them, this one kind of reminded me of like the Beverly Hills Hotel with the palm trees. So I got like a light color and a dark color, and I just got them because I thought that they were cute. And then my last piece is this beach cover up, and I got this from H&M because I thought the color was just so cute on this, and it would be really cute with like a one piece.
What is it?
It's a beach cover up.
Like,
It's like
okay,
it's one of these. Like you just wear it. And I have this like really cute one piece bathing suit, and I thought it would be so cute because it has like little buttons. I thought it'd be really cute.
It's really cute. You're having an H&M moment too. Ani, recently we haven't been to H&M in like years.
Honestly, I hadn't been in so long, and I walked in and I was like, "What is all this cute stuff?" I feel like H&M lately has been all like corporate
Business.
wear.
Yeah, it's very businessy.
And then I walked in and I was like, "What is this cute stuff you have here?" So I had a little H&M moment for sure.
And funny enough, they're doing all these sponsored stuff with like a bunch of bloggers because I feel like they got new designers and they're like, all right, let's make a comeback.
Yeah, it was like
we're done with corporate wear.
Yeah.
My last outfit actually I'm wearing that I just recently got. It's again like this linen-y type material that you could wear with heels or flats or sneakers. And I got it from the boutique, the same boutique, the RedDressBoutique, and it was like $40.
Cute.
All right, you guys, we hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you have any questions for the outfits that we talked about today, leave us some comments and we will get back to you. We'll see you next time.
Bye.